Do you want a healthy blood pressure? Do you want to learn ways outside of just medicines and pills to lower your high blood pressure? Well, you've come to the right place because I'm Dr. Frida, and today I'm giving you 12 incredible fruits that lower blood pressure fast. High blood pressure or hypertension is a leading cause of heart disease, strokes, and kidney failure, and tens of millions of Americans have high blood pressure. Yet, according to the CDC, only 1 out of every 4 actually has it under control. That's a big problem. And many of the patients who come to my office get really frustrated because they want to have some type of control over their blood pressure. They want to find natural remedies, though, in addition to just being told about medicines. Now, I will tell you that medicines as well as lifestyle changes can and do lower blood pressure, but so do some fruits. So let's talk about it. Here are 12 incredible fruits that lower blood pressure. Number 1, pineapple. Okay, I think that's a lot of pineapple. Pineapples are sweet, they are loaded with fiber, and they are low in calories. And they have lots of antioxidants, and they help to increase your vascular flow and can help to dilate blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. They also have manganese. They have over 100% of the daily recommendation for manganese, which is good for bone health. Another neat fact about pineapples is that they have something called bromelain, and that is a powerful anti-inflammatory. And it's really good in helping you heal, helps to prevent or decrease a lot of swelling and bruising. So pineapple is wonderful for your vascular health and wonderful for lowering blood pressure. Number 2, citrus fruits. Yes, I'm talking about delicious grapefruits, lemons, limes, oranges. And, they're great because they're loaded with vitamin C. Now, I'm sure you've heard of vitamin C as far as being good for your immunity, but vitamin C also helps to relax blood vessels, which helps to lower the blood pressure naturally. These citrus fruits also contain bioflavonoids, which also help to relax blood vessels, increase vascular flow, and lower blood pressure. Number 3, berries. And I know you know that berries like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries are delicious, sweet, low in calories, but they're also good for blood pressure because they're loaded with flavonoids and antioxidants, which help to increase vascular flow and can help to lower blood pressure. Berries also have anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce the strain on the cardiovascular system. All good for heart disease and lowering the blood pressure. So definitely you want to incorporate berries in your diet. Number 4 is one of my favorites, avocado. Yes, goodness, avocado. Delicious and good for so many things, including lowering blood pressure. Avocados are loaded down with potassium, and they have very, 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 very low amounts of salt. Potassium is wonderful for blood pressure because the more potassium you take in, the more sodium or salt you excrete out through your urine. And this potassium does help to lower the blood pressure naturally. Also, avocados have a lot of monounsaturated fats, which are good for heart health and for decreasing strain on blood vessels. So definitely incorporate avocados in your diet. Number 5, bananas. Let me tell you right now, I love bananas, and so do a lot of my patients because they're delicious, but they're also loaded with potassium, magnesium, and fiber, all of which play a role in helping to lower blood pressure. Bananas have a diuretic effect. I know you've heard that word diuretic because your doctors may have prescribed you diuretics like hydrochlorothiazide and furosemide. Well, bananas have a diuretic effect as well, which can help you to get rid of excess fluid and can help you to lower your blood pressure. Be sure to watch my video on foods that have high potassium that help you to lower your blood pressure after you finish watching this video. Number 6, pomegranates. And look, this is not how pomegranate looks, but I've already taken the seeds out of this so I can get right down to business. I'm sorry, I love pomegranates, one of my favorite fruits. And pomegranates have antioxidants and polyphenols that help to reduce constriction in blood vessels, they increase vascular flow, decrease strain on blood vessels, help to lower your blood pressure. Also, something very interesting about pomegranates is that they contain certain compounds that actually inhibit or block enzymes that are responsible for constricting or tightening blood vessels. So that's another way that pomegranates can help to lower your blood pressure. And they're delicious. Number 7, another one of my favorite fruits, kiwi. I mean, isn't this just like nature's dessert? Well, kiwis, beyond being delicious, low in calories, are also excellent for lowering blood pressure because they contain vitamin C, and potassium, and they help to vasodilate. In other words, they help to relax your blood vessels, make them larger so that the blood pressure is lower. They also help to maintain a good fluid balance. Kiwi contain bioactive compounds that help to lower blood pressure as well. Number 8, watermelon. Yes, watermelon, another delicious fruit. Now, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine and helps to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. It's also a very hydrating fruit. It's high in potassium, and it helps to maintain fluid balance. So watermelon is something you certainly want to put in your diet to lower blood pressure. Now remember, this is an informational video. So make sure you consult with your physician and your dietitian to find out which fruits are good for you. Because, for example, if you have very high blood sugar, then you may want to avoid some of these fruits. Also, if you're someone who's on a potassium restriction, you may want to avoid some of these fruits as well. Oh, and when it comes to watermelon, if you were raised in the South like I was, you may have been taught to put salt on your watermelon. Please don't do that. That will defeat the purpose of the blood pressure lowering qualities that watermelon has. Number 9, papaya. Ooh, don't you love yourself some papaya? I just love how it looks, honey, and I love how it tastes. And very importantly, I love the fact that it can help to lower your blood pressure. So papaya contains vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E. They have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which can help with blood pressure. Another benefit is that papaya contains an enzyme, papain, that aids in digestion. And this can help to decrease the workload of the cardiovascular system in general. So get yourself some papaya. Number 10, peaches. Peaches are last long around me because they really are one of my favorite fruits. They're delicious and they're loaded with potassium, which helps to lower the blood pressure. They also have vitamin C and carotenoids, which are great for cardiovascular health. So you definitely want to enjoy yourself some peaches to lower your blood pressure. Now, I keep talking about these fruits that help to lower your blood pressure, but how do you know what your blood pressure really is? Well, it's important that you know how to monitor your blood pressure at home properly. Be sure to watch my video on how to monitor your blood pressure at home properly after you finish watching this video. Number 11, mangoes. First of all, isn't this just like a beautiful fruit? It really is. Well, it's also great for lowering your blood pressure. Mangoes are loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. They also contain certain compounds like gallotannins, which help to increase vascular flow, dilate blood vessels, lower your blood pressure. Number 12, apples. You know, an apple a day really just might keep the doctor away because apples are loaded with soluble fiber, which helps to reduce blood sugar and to protect your cardiovascular health. They also have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and they're just really great for lowering blood pressure, especially when you keep the skin on your apples.